fall into you.
Hello everyone. As we all know that the Eid is near, it's time to prepare sweet dishes, and one of my favorites is Rasmalai. First thing is it's yummy. The second reason is that it can be made in advance, like at least a day in advance before Eid, and it will be so easy to make. It will help you on the day of Eid. So let's get started. It requires just basic ingredients that you have at home. I'll start with milk. A full 1 liter of full fat and full cream milk, and we will keep it on full boil. Let's move it. So we are going to boil this milk until it is see that the color of the milk will slightly change to a slightly yellow. Till then, just keep boiling it. In the meanwhile, let's get our dough ready. For this, let's first add the dry ingredients. I'm going to prepare this with nido powder, with milk powder. Take a cup of nido powder, and then we will add in the mixture 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll mix it. We'll take 1 egg, 1 large egg. Add this mixture to we'll mix it gently. Now I'll use my hands to knead the dough. I like this shape better. We'll continue this process for all the These are ready. As my milk is almost boiled, prepare the dry fruits. Around 15 of each dry fruit. So kaju, badam and pistachio. Well, some people also add walnuts, but it's kind of optional, so let's add just 2 of them. Now we can also cut it into slices and make it look beautiful, but it's going to give it a grind. Make sure it is coarse, don't make it too fine. My dry fruits are done. I'm just saving these for garnishing on top. I'll just slice them. In the meanwhile, let's get back to the milk. I'm just keeping it on a low flame here. Okay, I can see that it is quite dense. Now we'll be adding sugar into this. 1 cup sugar. Everything is like 1 liter milk, then you add 1 cup sugar, and then you take 1 cup nido powder. Now we have to keep mixing this mixture frequently. We'll add our mixture. We'll keep it on a boil and move it aside. We'll keep it on a medium flame, and then again we'll boil it for another 15 minutes. Now I'll bring it down to a medium flame, and then we'll add our rasmalai balls. As you can see, this preparation is almost done. The rasmalais have like almost occupied all the space in this pan. I'm hoping this is like successful. Now I'm going to put off the flame, because they're almost done. I do not want them to break. Look quite fluffy. All we have to do is we have to cool this mixture completely down, and then we're going to store it in a fridge. We're going to store it in fridge at least overnight or for 6 to 8 hours.
If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment any recipes that you would want us to make. Like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your support. Take care.